Many students in facing problem. Before camera, people is very confident, but when facing camera, front of camera, many people cannot speak because they have feel hesitate. But I would like to tell you guys, don't feel hesitate and speak confidently. Whatever you want to speak, you speak confidently and bring the topic, anything, and you can share the people. Then you have to try. If you have anywhere you have keep quiet, so better than keep quiet, speak. So whatever you want to speak, you can speak. For example, you are surrounding is whatever you have running, and fan is working, light is on, someone is sleeping in the room, my brother is playing football, my mother is in kitchen, she is cook food for me, for herself, and you are brother, whatever your brother is doing, you can speak about that. Your mother, whatever she is doing, so you can speak that. Your sister, whatever she has doing, you can speak that. And you all topic, if you speak, then you improve your English. And English is very easy language, so everyone should know the speak English. So grammars, many people don't know grammars. You are chatting in cell phone, and so grammar already know many people. So many people facing problem only in speaking. If you want to, for also, if you want to improve your speaking English, so you will have to speak English, then you improve your English. If you not speak English, you cannot improve your English. So let me tell you guys, you speak confidently, whatever you have mind, and don't hesitate, don't feel shy, and go in front of mirror, practice daily. Many students have facing problem this. So as you see, the problem is many teacher has already remind the people that you go at least every day, at least you practice 30 minutes and 1 hour, no 1 hour, only 15 minutes you can study. You can practice daily 15 minutes. But I would like to tell you guys, not 15 minutes, not 30 minutes, but you, whatever you have doing yourself, you can speak that, continue. Since morning to night, you can speak. Whatever you have doing, you speak confident only English. Don't speak your not native language. If you have native language you speak, so never going to improve it. So I would like to remind you guys. So guys, every student you practice speaking English, then you improve your English. If you not speak, you cannot going to improve. So just I will remind you guys, speak confidently and show your parents is dream something. My child, my son is grow in my life, and don't feel shy, don't feel hesitant, and speak confidently. You keep the camera, you have a cell phone, you keep the camera and practice and record that. Record it and share. Record it and watch this recording and then you improve your English. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will be back soon. Thank you. Take care of yourself.